Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel. In this video, we are going to solve 9 power 100 plus 9 power 100 plus 9 power 100 is equals to what? So let's start with today's video solution. So I can take 9 power 100 as common. So what is left? 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 9 power 100 times 3. 9 is the square of 3. So 3 square whole power 100 times 3. Now according to exponent rule, a power n power m, we can write it as a power n m or a power m power n. So it becomes 3 power 2 times 100 times 3 power 1. So 3 power 200 times 3 power 1. Another exponent rule, x power m times x power n is equals to x power m plus n. So 3 power 200 plus 1 is 3 power 201. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.